What's the meaning of Caedmon? Caedmon. Caedmon.
Caedmon. Caedmon. Caedmon is a name of English origin that means blessed, fortunate, prosperous. It is derived from the Old English words caed, meaning battle, and mund, meaning protection. Caedmon is most famously known as the earliest named English poet in history, as he lived in the 7th century and was a cowherd who received divine inspiration to compose poetry. His poems, which were mainly religious in nature, were widely celebrated at the time and had a profound impact on the development of English literature. Today, the name Caedmon is still occasionally used as a first name, but is more commonly encountered as a surname.